Welcome to Galgotias University. Galgotias University, a premier educational institute situated in Greater Noida, is devoted to teaching, research and innovation for the betterment of humanity. Offering over 100 undergraduate and postgraduate programs, Galgotias University is the top choice for students all over the country. We believe in the philosophy of student first, which nourishes and prepares an individual to step into this world and make a change. Today is one such day in which our students will be ready to take their leap of faith. A day where their home would become alma mater. Welcome to the online convocation for the batch of 2020. A day which will be a mark in our history as we'll be conducting our first ever online convocation. In these tough times, technology will bind us together. So join us to celebrate glory and fraternity. The batch of 2020 is a special batch. It's a batch which showed us endurance and courage. As the corona pandemic filled us with fear and anxiety, the batch of 2020 stood firm on their dreams courageously and are aspiring towards it. As you bid us adieu, the conversations in lecture halls, the hangouts at the cafe, the hallways buzzing with energy, all will not be the same. You would fill your essence and memory here as you leave for the big world. Let us all take a quick tour of our campus to relive the memories we created here. The lecture halls where we all learned, discussed and made mistakes together. The library whose air is filled with the fragrance of books and enlightenment. The sports complex which made us all pump our adrenaline. Last but not the least, the cafeteria where we all just lived the moment together. Most importantly, the campus which is our home, where we all shared dreams together. This place will miss your presence for sure. The pandemic paved the way for the first ever e-convocation in Galgotias University for the batch of 2020.
Please put your hands together for Honorable Chief Guest Dr. Ram Gopal Rao, Director, IIT Delhi. Honorable Chief Guest Shri Sumant Sinha, Founder, Chairman and Managing Director of Renew Power, India's leading clean energy company. Honorable Guest of Honor Dr. Kevin Warwick. Honorable Guest of Honor Shri Pankaj Singh. Honorable Chancellor Shri Sunil Galgotia. Honorable Pro-Chancellor Srimati Padmini Galgotia, Honorable Chief Executive Officer Shri Dhruv Galgotia, Honorable Vice-Chancellor Dr. Preeti Bajaj, Honorable Pro-Vice-Chancellor Dr. Pradeep Kumar and Dr. P.K. Sharma, members of statutory authorities and all deans and HODs. We also have with us today Mr. Sudhir Mishra, Senior Geo Lead, Talent Acquisition, Infosys, Mr. N. Ambala, Manager, Global Campus Hiring, Talent Acquisition, Wipro, Mr. V. Mrityunjay, Human Resources, Talent Acquisition, Cognizant, Mr. Rajat Sikka, Regional Head, Academic Relations, North India TCS, Mohammad Arif Kaushal, HR, Talent Acquisition, Automobiles, India Private Limited. Mr. Shankar Mahadevan, Mr. Shan, Mr. Kailash Khed, Ms. Shivani Kashyap, and Mr. John T. Rhodes. Good morning, alumnus of Galgodias, that as an ambassador for this esteemed university, as an ambassador, you have the opportunity to show the world what your education means as you forge your path. For some of you, that path may mean the beginning of a new career or new job responsibilities. For others, it may mean continuing your education and research here or at other institutions of higher learning. Truly, today signifies the culmination of many years of hard work in relentless pursuit of knowledge that will enable a purpose. Welcome everyone to the 5th convocation ceremony of Galgodias University. We are indeed overwhelmed and honored to have distinguished luminaries for today's event. We are privileged and blessed to have Professor Ram Gopal Rao, Director IIT Delhi, as our chief guest. Dr. Rao has contributed incredibly in the field of nanoscience. He is a teacher, a researcher, and a visionary in the field of nanotechnology. And we are very honored to have you here with us, sir. We are also deeply touched and feel encouraged by the prominent presence of Shri Sumant Sinha as our chief guest. Shri Sumant Sinha, the Chairman and Managing Director of Renew Power, which is the largest renewable energy IPP in India in terms of total energy generation capacity, and he is a firm believer that renewable energy is no longer only about energy security and climate change, but also the opportunity that will provide economic advantages, propel local economies, and create more jobs for all. We are deeply touched and feel encouraged by the prominent presence of Dr. Kevin Warwick, our guest of honor for today. Dr. Kevin Warwick has contributed immensely in the field of artificial intelligence, controlled robotics, and biomedical engineering. We feel encouraged by the prominent presence of Shri Pankaj Singh as guest of honor. Shri Pankaj Singh is an Indian politician from Uttar Pradesh and is a member of Legislative Assembly from Noida. He is also BJP's General Secretary for Uttar Pradesh. Honorable Chancellor Shri Sunil Galgotia, Honorable Pro-Chancellor Srimati Padmini Galgotia, Honorable CEO Shri Dhruv Galgotia, Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. Preeti Bajaj, Honorable Pro-Vice Chancellor Dr. Pradeep Kumar, and Honorable Pro-Vice Chancellor Dr. P.K. Sharma. Honorable members of Executive Council and Academic Council, as well as the other dignitaries to the convocation present here. We thank you for being here with us today to celebrate this occasion together. Before we begin this joyous ceremony, let's seek the blessings of Goddess Saraswati. May I now request the students to recite the Saraswati
We will have the presentation of the prestigious Chancellor's Trophy. For 2019, this award goes to Shaurya Chauhan from School of Computing Science and Engineering and Ms. Veda Singh from School of Biomedical and Biosciences Engineering. For 2020, the Chancellor's Trophy goes to Azimuddin from School of Computing Science and Engineering and Ms. Julie Koshi from School of Education. With all humility, I request our Honorable Chancellor, Shri Sunil Galgode ji, to do the honors. Let us congratulate all our toppers and awardees by giving a thunderous applause. And thank you, Honorable Chancellor Sir, for giving the award.
Thank you so much, Professor Shan. I now call upon the recipients of the Chancellor Trophy to administer the graduate pledge to the fellow graduates and postgraduates. I request all the fresh graduates and postgraduates to kindly stand and repeat the pledge with full sincerity and respect after the students.
I,
Seema Pandey,
of Galgoti
University,
University,
Greater Noida,
hereby pledge I shall thought, endeavor to be
honest,
honest in the
profession
of my
unity and integrity,
and shall uphold the dignity of my profession and the honor of my university. Shall strive and imbibe professional excellence in my field of endeavor. Shall uphold and advance social order and well-being of my fellow members. And shall devote all my energy to promote unity, integrity, and secular
ideals of my country.
Well, now it is time for some very extraordinary, exceptional, and some marvelous gems of the industry to come and embrace us with a few words to motivate and inspire our fresh graduates and postgraduates. First up, we have someone who is not only the pride of India but is also an exceptional singer. We are very grateful to have Mr. Shankar Madhavan with us today to enlighten our fresh graduates and postgraduates with a few words.
Hi, this is Shankar Mahadevan and I'd like to welcome you all on behalf of the Galgotias University for the Galgotias University Convocation 2020. Wow, what an achievement. On this special occasion, all I would like to say is keep moving, guys. Keep moving. Keep moving with great focus, with perseverance, with love, with dedication, and see to it that you'll achieve your goals under any circumstance, come what may. Let nothing hinder your thoughts and nothing should hinder your passion towards achieving your goal. So, on this special occasion, I'd like to sing 2 lines of a song that kind of encapsulates what I'm trying to say. हाँ यही रास्ता है तेरा, तूने अब जाना है. हाँ यही सपना है तेरा, तूने पहचाना है. तुझे अब ये दिखाना है, रोके तुझको आंधियां या जमीन और आसमां पाएगा. जो लक्ष्य है तेरा, लक्ष्य को हर हाल में पाना है. All the very best, each and every member of the Galgotias University. God bless you.
He's someone who doesn't need an introduction. He is the shining star of the Bollywood dynasty. Please put your hand together for Shan.
Hi everyone, I'm Shan and a big shout out to all the graduating students, and this message I bring on behalf of Galgotias University, welcoming you to Galgotias Convocation 2020. On your graduation, when you're just about to step out into this real world, it's important that you don't let the noise of others drown out your own inner voice. सारे स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत बहुत सारी बधाई और मेरी शुभकामनाएं। और चलिए, ऐसे मौके पर एक गाना तो ज़रूर बनता है, तो फिर जब लाइफ हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल, होंठों को करके गोल, पिचक दुम पिचक दुम तुम पिचक तुम। हे लाइफ हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल, होंठों को करके गोल, होंठों को करके गोल, सीटी बजा के बोल ऑल इज वेल। अरे मुर्गी क्या जाने अंडे का क्या होगा, लाइफ मिलेगी या तवे पे फ्राई होगा। अरे कोई न जाने अपना फ्यूचर क्या होगा, लेकिन आपका फ्यूचर होगा ऑलवेज ब्राइट दोस्तों, क्योंकि ऑल इज वेल। So wishing you all again a very, 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 very happy graduation, and this beautiful life awaits you. Go grab it, do your thing, and best wishes to all of you. From me and of course from Galgotias University.
From Teri Diwani to Allah ke Bande. He hasn't just won a million hearts, but he's also someone we are very proud of. Please put your hands together for none other than Mr. Kailash Kher. He will once again mesmerize us with his heartwarming songs and is here to motivate our fresh graduates and postgraduates.
नमस्कार, मैं हूं कैलाश खेर और गलगोटियाज यूनिवर्सिटी के सभी ग्रेजुएटिंग स्टूडेंट्स को गलगोटियाज कॉन्वोकेशन 2020 में आमंत्रण करता हूं। जब एक ही मिली है जिंदगी, सोच मत चाहे आर हो या पार हो, तू ले जान वो असल जान है, जिसके करतब पे सौ जान निसार हो। तू जो चाह ले अगर कदमों में तेरे हो शिखर, तू खुद पर यकीन कर। बस हमारी एक ही कमजोरी है कि हम प्रयास करना छोड़ देते हैं, और सफलता का सबसे बड़ा रास्ता ही यह है कि एक बार और प्रयास किया जाए। मेरी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं और बधाई आप सभी को, और ये गीत आप सबके लिए मैं समर्पित करता हूं। यूं ही चला चल रही, यूं ही चला चल रही, जीवन गाड़ी है समय पहिया। आंसू की नदियां भी हैं, खुशियों की बगिया भी हैं, रास्ता सब तेरा तक है भैया। ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट।
Moving on with the musical flow, we have with us today the sensational, the marvelous, and everyone's favorite, Miss Shivani Kashyap. Please put your hands together for Miss Shivani Kashyap.
Hi, this is Shivani Kashyap. On behalf of Galgotias University, I welcome all the graduating students to Galgotias Convocation 2020. Remember, there will be failures and hardships in your life, but you can learn from others and your own mistakes, because there's very little learning from success. So I wish you all a very bright and a very happy and prosperous future, and to make your celebration more special, I'm going to sing this song for you. दिल का दरिया बह ही गया, इश्क इबादत बन ही गया, खुद को मुझे तू सौंप दे, मेरी जरूरत तू बन गया। बात दिल की नजरों नहीं, सच कह रहा तेरी कसम, तेरे ना लेके एक भी तुझे
But what made him the best cricketer is his motivation to be the best. Please put your hands together for none other than Mr. Jonty Rhodes.
Hey everyone, I am Jonty Rhodes, and on behalf of Galgotias University, I bring this message for the class of 2020. You guys are about to start a new innings in life. Just like the cricket field, there will be challenges, obstacles, and a whole lot of teamwork required. You need to be there for each other, and if you believe in teamwork, you can bring home the trophy. So congratulations and all the best to Dhruv, the CEO of Galgotias University, for Convocation 2020.
Now I invite our Honorable CEO to deliver the vote of thanks.
As we come to the closing of the first online convocation ceremony, let me first congratulate all the graduating students for achieving this new milestone in your lives. Even though the convocation on campus has been much more exciting with the elation and enthusiasm of students, friends and family and their respected parents who have sacrificed so much to see this day of your lives. I miss seeing and meeting all of our brilliant students here on campus. We are waiting for you to welcome you back. Today I am extremely honored to have such great thought leaders and people of such exemplary profile who have broken benchmarks and redefined success to take out time to attend our online convocation. The life lessons that come from years of hard work and perseverance and diligence will surely take you a long way ahead of your lives. I sincerely thank Dr. Suman Sinha, Chairman of Renew Power, Professor Gopala Rao, Director IIT New Delhi, and Professor Kevin Warwick, Coventry University, USA, for accepting the honorary doctoral degree and for being a part of the Galgotias University family and inspiring the young leaders of tomorrow. I also profoundly thank some of our key talent acquisition partners who have been recruiting Galgotias students for over a decade now and are a part of our family. Mr. Sudhir Mishra ji from Infosys, Mr. L. Ambala from Wipro, Mr. V. Mrityunjay from Cognizant, Mr. Ranjit Sikka from Tata Consultancy Services, and Mr. Arif from Oppo Mobiles. I also thank some of the most versatile and well-known personalities who have given their motivational messages to all the graduating students here at Galgotias and have made our convocation even more special. A big thank you to Kailash Kher ji, Shankar Mahadevan ji, Shan, Shibani Kashyap ji, and my childhood idol Jonty Rhodes. Most importantly, I congratulate all the confident and meritorious students and medal winners who have proven their ability to excel in the university with their focus and achieving their goals. I wish you all the best for the future that you will inherit and shape. A big thank you to all the students and staff who are working behind the scenes to make this e-convocation extremely successful. I promise all the students a big farewell on campus as soon as you're back. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. First of all, let's give a big round of applause for our fresh graduates and postgraduates. The closing hour has finally arrived. Tomorrow, new challenges and opportunities shall await you all and will further test your mettle as improving individuals. As you continue with the journey, may you look back to the stage of your life with fondness and pride. Enjoy your day and celebrate this day with your family and friends. As Franklin Roosevelt has once said, we may not be able to prepare the future for the next generation, but at least we can prepare the next generation for the future. In line with this, at Galgotias University, we have tried to prepare our students to connect learning with real life and to provide them with necessary skills for facing future challenges. With our best wishes for a great future ahead, I, Sneha, sign off. I request you all to kindly stand for the national anthem and please remain standing until the academic procession leaves the convocation hall.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे।